Imagine turning any static document or video into a dynamic learning experience instantly. With Tenneo's new AI-powered Smart Content, you can create interactive courses, generate assessments, and even chat with an AI expert, all in one click. Let's see how this next-gen learning innovation works.
The Tenneo LMS is available both as a web application and a mobile application, ensuring accessibility and convenience for users across different platforms. The new AI-based Smart Content feature allows for easy transformation of static files and videos into dynamic smart courses. Once the learner selects the Smart Content option, they are redirected to various Smart Content courses. Upon clicking on the play button to start the course. On the right-hand side, the learner can view the 5 functions of Smart Content. The expert features allow learners to ask queries about the open course to the AI-based Tenneo assistant. This feature also provides document summaries, making it easier to study and understand the content. When the learner clicks on the expert option, they can ask queries about the course to the AI-based Tenneo assistant. The knowledge check function generates AI-based questions from each page to test the learner's understanding before progressing. This feature allows for knowledge assessment through practice questions without grading. The assessment function evaluates users through AI-generated multiple-choice questions, MCQs, with the option to set passing marks. The Tenneo assistant automatically generates unique assessment questions for each user based on the provided document, saving administrators time and effort. The Recommend feature retrieves reference material from your content repository on the selected topic, providing relevant resources for enhanced learning. The Recommend feature suggests learners other courses similar to the one they are currently taking, which can help them increase their skills. Translate option helps learners translate course text into different languages. The learner can select their preferred language from the drop-down menu. Finally, the text gets converted into the language selected by the learner. In short, Tenneo LMS Smart Content helps learners with an AI assistant for course queries, AI-generated knowledge checks and assessments, a smart translator, and access to relevant reference materials.
Turn every document into a living, learning experience, faster to build, easier to manage, and smarter to deliver, all inside Tenneo LMS. Like, subscribe, comment your favorite content.